Do you know all 8 types of energy stores and what objects have them? Here's a flash revision guide on every single energy store that you need to know. Energy is measured in joules, and the principle of the conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be transferred from one store to another. There are 8 different types of these energy stores and 4 different types of energy transfers. You can think of the energy stores as containers that hold energy and transfers as pipes that can move energy from one store to another. The first type of energy store is thermal energy stores. Pretty much every object in the universe has thermal energy, but the hotter objects have more energy in their thermal energy stores than colder objects. The second type is kinetic energy, and any object that moves, like a car or an object falling, has energy in its kinetic energy store. The third is gravitational potential energy stores, which any object in a gravitational field has. So basically all objects on Earth. It depends on the height of the object. So the higher an object is above the ground, the more energy it has in its gravitational potential store. The next is for elastic potential energy, which is for any object that's stretched. For example, a stretched elastic band has energy in its elastic potential energy store. Next up, we have chemical energy stores, which are any chemicals that can release energy from a chemical reaction. Examples of these are batteries in devices, petrol in cars, and in the food that we eat. We also have nuclear energy stores, which are similar to chemical energy but involves energy that can be released by nuclear reactions. These are found in nuclear power plants where atoms are split to release energy. The seventh are electrostatic energy stores, which exist for objects or particles that are charged and interact with each other. So for example, electrons are negatively charged and protons are positively charged. The energy that they have in their electrostatic energy stores gets transferred to the kinetic energy stores when they're attracted to each other and move closer. And finally, you have magnetic energy stores, which are similar to electrostatic ones, but they work with magnets. So if you had a north and a south pole attracting, the energy that they have in their magnetic energy store gets transferred to their kinetic energy store to attract and move them closer together.